Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your QuickBooks checking account statements in just a few minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or just keeping your books clean, this guide will help you generate detailed statements quickly and professionally. So stay tuned till the end. It's all months because I'll also share how to send those statements directly to clients, hassle-free. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the QuickBooks online website. Once you're there, click the Sign In button at the top right corner. Now, log in using your email and password. And make sure you're signing into the correct business account if you manage multiple companies. After logging in, you'll land on your QuickBooks dashboard. This is your main control center for everything accounting. From here, you can handle invoices, payments, reports, and of course, checking account statements. Next, look to the left menu and click on the Sales tab. Then choose Customers. This section lists all your clients and their transaction histories. To create a statement, find the Create Statement option in the dropdown. This is where the magic happens. QuickBooks gives you three main types of statements: Balance Forward, great for showing what's due and carried over; Open Item, for individual unpaid invoices; and Transaction Statement, for a detailed list of all activities. Choose the one that best fits your reporting needs. Now, select the correct statement period or date range. This tells QuickBooks which transactions to include so you can review your financials accurately for the month, quarter, or any custom range you need. Once everything looks good, click Save and Send. QuickBooks will instantly generate the statement and let you email it to your client or download it for your own records. It's that easy. And it makes your financial communication look sharp and professional. And that's it. You've just learned how to get your QuickBooks checking account statements like a pro. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover more QuickBooks features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.